Acid test. Acid test. Meaning: proves the effectiveness of something. Example: the acid test for the new product will be the customer reviews. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning: people's intentions can be judged better by what they do than what they say. Example: he always says he'll help, but actions speak louder than words. Add insult to injury. Add insult to injury. Meaning: to further a loss with mockery or indignity, to worsen an unfavorable situation. Example: losing the match was bad enough, but the crowd jeering added insult to injury. After the watershed. After the watershed. Meaning: a time after which programs for older audiences may be aired on TV. Example: the horror movie is scheduled to air after the watershed. Against the clock. Against the clock. Meaning: being rushed and having little time to complete something. Example: we're working against the clock to finish the project before the deadline. Ahead of time. Ahead of time. Meaning: something that happens early or before it is supposed to. Example: the team completed the project ahead of time. All ears. All ears. Meaning: awaiting an explanation. Example: tell me what happened, I'm all ears. An arm and a leg. An arm and a leg. Meaning: very expensive or costly, a large amount of money. Example: that designer handbag cost an arm and a leg. Round the clock. Round the clock. Meaning: at any time of the day or night. Example: the emergency room is open around the clock. Round the corner. Round the corner. Meaning: will happen soon. Example: the festival is just around the corner. As time goes by. As time goes by. Meaning: the passing of one moment to the next. Example: as time goes by, we learn to appreciate the little things. At the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat. Meaning: without any hesitation, instantly. Example: she's ready to travel at the drop of a hat.